Today, we're diving into an exciting event in the world of science and space. We're talking about the Sun's magnetic field reversal, an event that happens roughly every 11 years and marks a significant phase in the solar cycle. This event is crucial as it indicates the halfway point of the solar maximum, the peak of solar activity, and the beginning of the transition towards the solar minimum. So, what causes this change in poles? And is it dangerous? Let's take a closer look at the reversal of the Sun's magnetic field and its effects on Earth. First, it's important to understand the solar cycle. This approximately 11-year cycle of solar activity is driven by the Sun's magnetic field, marked by the frequency and intensity of sunspots on its surface. The height of this solar activity is known as a solar maximum, which current forecasts predict will occur between late 2024 and early 2026. But there's more to it. There's another, less well-known cycle called the Hale cycle, which spans about 22 years and includes two 11-year solar cycles. During this cycle, the Sun's magnetic field reverses and then returns to its original state. This cycle was highlighted by solar astrophysicist and author Ryan French. During the solar minimum, the Sun's magnetic field is similar to a dipole, with a north and south pole, much like Earth's magnetic field. As we move toward the solar maximum, the Sun's magnetic field becomes more complex, losing its clear north-south distinction. After the solar maximum, when the solar minimum is reached again, the Sun returns to the dipole configuration, but with the opposite polarity. Now, the flip of the solar magnetic field isn't instantaneous. It's a gradual transition from a dipole to a complex magnetic field and back to a reversed dipole over the entire 11-year solar cycle. In short, there's no specific moment when the Sun's poles flip. Unlike Earth, where the flip is measured by the migration of the north-south pole, the Sun's reversal is a more fluid process. It generally takes a year or two for a complete reversal, but this can vary significantly. For instance, the North Polar Field of Solar Cycle 24, which ended in December 2019, took nearly 5 years to reverse, according to the National Solar Observatory. The magnetic field flip is so gradual that you won't even notice when it happens. And no, despite how dramatic it might sound, it's not a sign of an impending apocalypse. The world is not going to end tomorrow because of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.